To make your Wix website fit all screens, start by understanding the concept of responsive design. This means your website will automatically adjust its layout to fit different screen sizes and devices. Wix provides a built-in feature to make your website responsive, but you can also customize it to fit your needs. First, log into your Wix account and select the website you want to work on. Click on the settings icon and select Site Settings. In the Site Settings, scroll down to the Responsive section. Here, you will see 3 options: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Make sure all 3 options are enabled to make your website responsive. Next, click on the desktop option and adjust the layout to fit your needs. You can add or remove sections, move elements around, and adjust the spacing. Make sure to click on the Save button after making any changes. Now, click on the tablet option and adjust the layout to fit tablet screens. You will notice that the layout is similar to the desktop version, but with some adjustments to fit the smaller screen size. Make any necessary changes and click on the Save button. Finally, click on the mobile option and adjust the layout to fit mobile screens. This is the most important version, as most users will access your website from their mobile devices. Make sure to simplify the layout, remove any unnecessary elements, and make the content easy to read. To test your website, click on the Preview button and select the device you want to test. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile devices to see how your website looks on each screen size. Make any necessary adjustments and click on the Save button. Best practices for making your Wix website fit all screens include keeping the design simple and consistent, using high-quality images that are optimized for web use, and testing your website on different devices and browsers. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a responsive Wix website that looks great on all screens and provides a good user experience for your visitors.